Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. Let's start the video. Today we are going to the Indus River. I am taking you to the riverside in Dera Ghazi Khan near my village. I will show the real life of the people living in the river areas. Most of the people who live here depend on livestock and fishing for their lives. A few years ago, there were no bridges on their rivers, and then sailors used to take things and people to other places by boats. But now they have built bridges and it has become easier to reach other areas. Come to the part where the fishermen live. They build huts. These are temporary houses. They are not interested in permanent houses. They live simple life. They live in an areas of the river where there is ample of fish. The most cultivated crops are called loki, tinde and pumpkin. I picked these vegetables in my hand and it looked very fresh. It is delicious to eat when I cooked. huge boat that looked like a big ship. Few years ago, this ship was used to remote places from one place to another when there was a little transportation here, but now it has been replaced by ship and trains.